In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add squares to your documents using two straightforward methods. Whether you're looking to add simple shapes or symbols for design or presentation purposes, these techniques will help you do just that with ease and precision. Let's dive into the first method, which involves using the drawing tool to create a square. To get started, navigate to the top menu and click on Insert, hover over Drawing, and select plus New. This opens up a creative workspace where you can add various shapes to your document. Once you're in the Drawing Tool interface, look for the Shape icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Navigate to Shapes, and then select Rectangle. At this point, here's a little tip. If you want to create a perfect square instead of a rectangle, hold down the Shift key while you click and drag your mouse. This simple trick ensures that all sides of your square are equal, giving you that perfect symmetrical shape every time. Once you're happy with the size and position of your square, click Save and Close. Just like that, the square will be seamlessly inserted into your document, ready for you to adjust or move as needed. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves inserting a square symbol. Start by clicking on Insert from the top menu and then select Special Characters. This will open a dialog box with a vast array of symbols and characters you can use. In the search box at the top, type in square. You'll see various square symbols appear, ranging from simple outlines to solid blocks. Choose the square symbol that best suits your needs, such as an open square like har or a solid one like hai. Once you've made your selection, click on the symbol to insert it into your document. This method is particularly useful when you want to include square symbols as part of your text, providing a neat, customized look with minimal effort. Each method serves its purpose and provides a distinct look, allowing you to customize your document according to your preference. With the drawing tool, you get the flexibility to adjust sizes and add more elements to your square, while with special characters, you can easily insert predefined symbols for more text-integrated designs. Feel free to explore these options and use them to enhance your documents creatively. Practicing these steps will not only boost your document's appearance, but also give you a valuable skill in document formatting and presentation. So go ahead, try them out, and see how these simple techniques can make a significant impact on your work. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy designing.